Hello everyone, this is lecture 37. Let us continue work on the streaming application. The first one is a news portal. Okay, let us continue to do that. Go ahead from here. Last time finish here. We design some messages on application level. Then this one, okay, you can see the message this journalist post is sent from the publisher. The publisher is a journalist. So next, let us work on some other. We have also another message to be forwarded is comments. Comment notification. Comment notification should be processed in a similar approach. Right? It should be forwarded through unicasting within the multicasting framework by the root of the hierarchical structure. Okay. Okay, what about the design pattern? Okay, let us wait. Okay, the design pattern is here, right? This is the message to be unicast. We just follow this pattern. Okay, but the message should be changed. Comment notification. Okay. Comment notification. We just copy this one. Okay, the code is copied. And then what else? We need to replace. We make a replacement. And it's better for us to change the message display on the screen. And what about this one? Okay. Comment. Post. The post should be can be printed. And this one is the news. Should be news. So we created this master before. Stream, right? News root, right? It's not correct. Let me check. News root master stream. It should be this. Okay. Oh, I put it the wrong package. I put it here. It's not correct. I should put it into the root. I put the thread in a wrong package, so that's why it got such error. So the publisher, this is stream K, right? Stream K. And the topic, for this case, no topic, it's a category. Okay. And then we just remove the warning. Okay, so finished. Okay, next we need to create the thread creator. Thread creator, we can follow this example. This is the example. Okay, this is the comment, not notification. Common thread. Import message. Okay, generate the code of the interface. Then we need to create the thread. Task assign. Right. What else? So we can put the code here. Copy this one. Now we need to make replacement. Comment notification should be. Copy the code here. Comment and this one. Create her. Okay. Comment. And then what else? Okay. So the next message we need to process should be the macro blog. We have 4 upper level application message. We have already finished 2 of them, right? Next, we need to process macro blog. That's all. The code is similar to each other. The code is similar, at least in terms of the design pattern. They're identical. Okay. There should be macro blog. Okay. Then similar to this code, we need to, maybe we can open this one, open this, close this code. We use, because we have already created some thread to process app level applications, so we just open this one. We can follow this code. That code, because they invoke the same root master. So we use this code. Oh, sorry. Okay. And then what else? Oh, the same. They're the same. They're the same thing. Then there is a news feed. Okay. Oh no, sorry, not correct. News feed. News feed. They are exactly the same actually. Oh no. News feed. That's right. Okay. Right. Right. You just need to remove this comment. Copy here. And slide is a copy here. Remove this line. Okay, next we need to create the creator, the thread creator again. I do a lot of things, similar thing, right? That because we program such a system with the same design pattern. That's why we do the same thing repeatedly. In the next classes, I will teach you how to save the effort. Then we do not need to program so much code. We can use some simple approach to do that. News feed. Then we need to I think there is a macro block. We created this macro block thread, but the creator is not created, right? Do we still have a little can create another creator? Okay, copy this code. Macro block notification. Okay. Okay, there's still one message left. I think all the level application we have programmed are similar to each other, but this one a little bit difficult. This one a little bit difficult because this one we need to process this this video, the piece, but at the server, at the root, I think they're almost the same. But when we need to transmit the data from the client. There is a client, the publisher. Right? The publisher need to load the data from the disk and then transmit the one piece up, because the size of the video should be large. Now we will do that later, but at the server side, at the root, not server side, at the root, I think we just do the same thing, I think. But when we at the client, even at the child side, we need to use some I/O API to process the video data from disk. Okay, this one. This one is a video piece. Notification. Okay. Video piece. Okay, that's the same. That's the same thing. Because this root do not persistent the data. It just forward through unicast. So it does not do anything to put it on disk. So no I/O on the disk for the root need to be created. Run this code. Piece notification or video piece notification. Right. Okay. Because the reason we create so many application level message, because that one of the primary scenario for the stream system. Because all the app level notification we just created are the data source. All the data sources are located as on the CS client as the publishers. So if the amount of data is not large enough, it's not necessary for us to create a streaming system. That's why we need to create such a system, create a lot those examples or those app level applications notifications. So but you can say all the data is processed in the same way at the root of the multicasting framework, right? Okay, so but I still spend a lot of effort, right? So I just mentioned we can save such effort later. Okay, and this one is news microblog. Okay, microblog. And microblog. Okay, what else? News feed. News feed. News feed. Okay, then we can follow the example, the streaming example. We just reopen this project. Streaming, right? Root, dispatcher. Okay, a lot of code need to be copied. This one. Copy this code here. This is almost the same, right? This should be same. Same thing. Okay. And then what else? This should be this one. But we need to replace. Okay, copy this one. Okay, keep working on other application level code. This is a comment. Then what else? Microblog. 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 And what else? News feed. News feed. Okay, news feed. Okay, we almost finished the code, but we still have to implement this code. But we can reuse this message. This message can be reused, but this one should be created because we use different root master. Okay, we need to use this one. Actually, root master can be reused, but it's not so difficult design. So For this time, just create this thread. It's not difficult. All right. Copy this code. This one is this message. If this message is received, it should be broadcasting. Broadcast this message. This shut down all the children. So this message should be broadcast to all the children. So all the children can receive this such a message and shut down. Okay, creator. Creator. Task assign. Right. What else we can do on that? What we can do on that? Okay. Remove those code. This code is not useful. There's still one shutdown message. We need to implement this one. This method can be reused, but this one, this code, it should be implement. That's right, should be re-implement on the root. Message is same. Then copy this code. Okay, we need to shut down. This should be called news root peer. I remember. News root peer, right? No? The root is new root peer. New root peer. I think news root peer is better, right? We can just change later. Okay. What's wrong? Oh, this one has not been finished. So we need to finish this code before we can shut down it. The method, no any implementation within this code. We just use, yeah, right? You can see the code is not implemented. Okay. Okay, there's a dispatcher, new. I think we rename it to as news route dispatcher. This name is better. Okay. This one is also called news route peer. Right. Use route master. This line broadcasts a route IP address to all the children. Okay, now we can rename it. Okay, then go back here. Okay, it's done, right? The route is almost done. This project, I think this project also larger one. Also large one. A lot of code need to be created. So it's a large code. The system is complex. So based on the framework, we create a lot of code here, right? So maybe today we cannot, it's impossible for us to finish the code for this lecture. We have to keep working on that in the next classes. I will finish this project no matter how long it is. No matter how long it is, I think I will, because this is we always do that. Maybe this application a little bit complicated because we have a lot of application level data needed to be processed, and the streaming framework is the most difficult one we have created for this class until now, right? Okay, copy this to this one. No, not this. Put them here, and then we need to copy this. This is a long code. Copy them here. Then what else? Okay. This two line can be reused. Oh my God. Okay, that's great. We can now with 2 lines we can reuse it. The 2 lines, it's 2 lines. Okay, reuse it 2 lines. And some application level ones should be reused, should be closed. Journalist, 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 and what else? The comment, comment, and microblog, 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 and the news feed notification, news feed notification. Okay, no, we still one more left. The video piece is not processed. Video piece. Video piece. Alright, should be this. Okay, video piece. Right. Video piece. Video piece creator. Okay. Video piece. Video piece. Notification. Okay. Import the message. Okay. Next, we can copy this line. Video piece. Just put it here. And then video piece. Video piece. Okay, copy this 3 placeholders into the video piece dispatcher. Okay, copy it here. Okay, remove this one. I want to move it here. Okay, I think the order should be the same. Identical. Okay. Video piece need to be closed here. Okay, until now all the code is similar to each other. Okay, next the process. We need to process this code. Process this code. Okay. Process this code. This message to be replaced. This one. And the shutdown. Some code is not changed. For this, yeah, we have 4 pieces of data, 40 piece of notification is not, which are not changed. Just copy them here, and then case. What the name of the message? It should be. Let me check. I don't remember exactly. Should be notification is new state, right? New state. New state. Type. Journalist. We can do that in this way, right? Case new state type. Comment. And the new state type. Microblog. News data type. video news feed. Okay. Okay, we need to change. Oh, that's an arrow. News feed. Video piece. Okay. What else? We need to copy these lines here. Copy this line and make some update here. And then this one should be journal. Yeah, journal dispatcher, journal notification dispatcher. And this one is the journalist notification. Oh, I'm sorry, I do not remember. There's message. What about the message? Journalist post. Okay, journalist post. Okay, that's great. And then copy these lines, not three. These lines here, and here. Okay. Then what I can do? Copy this one. This is could be common. Okay. Copy this line. We can speed up through this way. Okay. Copy. This is a comment notification. And then copy this line. It's a microblog. Okay, microblog. And this one is a microblog notification. And then news feed. Okay. News feed. Okay. Video piece. This is a video piece. Okay, let us change this message. Video piece, right? Okay, I think the server, the root, almost finished. Remove these lines. Okay, remove these warnings. Okay, this is the, if you design a distributed system with grid free, you can see dispatcher is we spend much effort on the dispatcher. Okay, now let us take a look at this. The peer, this one should be cried, right? This one should be cried. Then what we need to, the star. I think star is not finished. Okay, let us follow this example here. Star, not this one. We need to follow the star. Where is star? Start here. Okay, star. Copy these lines here. Copy this line here. Okay. I'll put them here. Okay, next, what we can do? We need to change it. Change the name. News root peer. This one can be changed news. Okay, news. Okay, now I think the root is finished. Maybe, I'm not sure. I think there should be all the code until now. You can see we do not do anything new. We just reused a lot of design patterns. But if there's some different from what we had done before, because we reuse this multicasting framework. we use some new APIs we created, right? We just follow the streaming framework to work on this project. Now, what else we can do? Now we need to, I think it's necessary for us to start from here. It's a child of the multicasting framework. This is very important for streaming, right? So we just create a new package. Is called child. We still work on the streaming framework. Okay, child, and then start the child. Okay, start child. Okay, start the child. Next, what we can do? Start the child. Okay, I think there is a peer we haven't created, so we just call it a new child peer. Okay, new child peer. We can follow this code. New child peer. News field peer, then what else? Then dispatcher. Dispatcher we need to create. Dispatcher. News child dispatcher. We create another code. News child dispatcher. Okay, create it. News child dispatcher. Okay. Creative. Okay, then we can return to here. News child peer. We can finish this call. Okay, before that, I think we still need to create this one, right? Root child master. I think this one we can reuse. I think we can reuse this one. So what about this one? The root. What about this one? Can we reuse it or not? Yes, I think we can reuse it. So both of them we can reuse. So now we just need to copy them. Copy all this code here. Okay, copy all this code here. And then remove this line. Oh, this dispatcher is different. Okay. Class is different. Class is different. And what else? Yeah, this one should be update. Okay. That's done, right? It's easy because this two code, the root master, the child master and the root master can be reused, so it save us a lot of effort. And then this one is called news. Okay, so I think now we can work on this dispatcher. the child dispatcher. The child dispatcher must we have to spend cost of much effort. Okay, the cost must take us a lot of effort here. So we can still focus on this one. Okay, what about this one? Okay, the sub notification, and let me take a look at this one. Okay, this code, stream registry. Okay, what about this? Can we reuse this one? The registry. Yeah, so I think we can. It's better, yeah, it's better for us to reuse this code, so it can save us a lot of effort. Let me check whether we can reuse it. If we want to reuse it, need to change it to public first. But it's and then make compile. We can change it to public first. Then we do not need to program so much code. We do not need to repeat so much code. Okay, next. Subscribe, yeah, but this code we can reuse. We should be able to reuse this one. Okay, make it public. And what else? Oh, this one we need to. Okay, then because now. Okay, this one we just put it here, because we just changed the invisibility of these classes, but this class is in another package. I think if you are familiar with Java, you need to know we need to import, right? We need to perform import. We need to generate a new package. So the update code we can reuse. We can just import the package and reuse it. Okay, we just the version number. We do not need to change the version number. Okay. Okay, then if you are not familiar with that, I can show how to do that, because we just create a new word. Create a new word here. There's a new word, right? Today. There's a date. There's the latest version. And then we just remove this. This is another project, so we need to remove the old word. This old word, just remove it. Okay, apply. Then you can see some problem happens. Okay, so replace this one, and then we import it again, because this is a new version. Okay, now a new version is available. For that, we can reuse this code. For example, copy this code here. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. This code should be public as well. So we have to do that again. I'm sorry. Okay, this one should be public. Okay, let us generate this code again. I'm sorry. Generate the library again. Okay. Then remove for this package. We just need remove the old word. We just added. Okay, we get the latest one. This is the latest one. Okay, replace it. And then we need to import again. Add the external. Okay, you can say no problem exist this one because we can reuse this code. It saves some efforts, right? We do not need to create so much code repeatedly. Okay, and then I think we have not enough time for this lecture, and we still for this case at the class that the child side. All the application level code should be created again. So we need to do that on this dispatcher, and different from what we had done on the server on the root. The code here should be broadcast, not just should be forward first to its children, right? And then because we use unicast. So the data is not required to be broadcast to its children. It just to be broadcast to subscribers. So here we need to we just follow this code here, right? Follow this code because we already have a pattern. We already have such a framework. Framework actually is also a pattern, but this pattern is based on application. This can be wrong. This not just based on API or some interfaces or some component. Just this framework is a application based design pattern. So we just follow this one because this code is already, we just reuse it, right? We just sorry, yeah, you can see we just reuse this one. So we cannot open this source code, and this one is reusable. We just change the visibility, right? So we can just copy this code, but the message is different. We just follow this code to finish the code on all the children. Okay, I think that's all for today. And this is a large project, and I think we still need to take some time to finish this large project. Okay. If any questions, just let me know, okay? I appreciate so much for you watching. See you next time.